I'm April, and I found LadyBoss on Facebook. I was scrolling through, and I saw Kaelin jumping on her trampoline and talking about losing 65 pounds, and so that's when I got started.
Nice. Very cool. So, what was your biggest aha moment, or your biggest breakthrough moment, or maybe a few of them that you've had along this journey?
The biggest thing for me, I had a lot of physical results, but for me it was more of a transition, it was more of like a transformation emotionally and mentally, because I had gone through a really hard time in my life, where I went through a divorce. My ex-husband had an affair, and I had lost everything, and I had lost like my purpose, my hopes, my dreams, and everything. And I had hit rock bottom emotionally. And so once I found LadyBoss and I started to lose weight, and like I had that physical transformation, but then the positivity of the group and the encouragement of the other LadyBosses like brought me more hope. And then I started to have more dreams and passions, and live my life, and then really like realize my full potential.
That's so cool.
Yeah. It is. It's pretty amazing.
It looks like it's working.
Yeah.
So what do you say to someone, there's so many people out there that are still stuck where you were, what do you say to someone that hasn't made that commitment and joined?
Like joined LadyBoss, well, I just think that they need to just get started, like, and quit putting it off and making excuses. And I mean, it seems like everyone always has an excuse for why they're not doing it. Like it's like their kids or something. And like I'm in school full time. I have 4 kids. I have a special needs son. I was a single mom. Like I'm doing a lot. I'm working, and I found a way to like put myself as a priority and like take care of myself. And I mean, I could have laid in bed and I could have kept eating and gaining weight, but I was completely depressed and I couldn't take care of myself that way. So I just think that like they have a choice, and they can stay where they're at or they can move forward.
Totally.
Yeah.
Now that you said you're a single mom who's in school full time, you're telling me that you're in the coaching program, because I use you as an example when I'm talking to ladies. They're telling me they don't think they can do it. And I say, well, guess what? There's someone named April who's doing it and has this, that, and the other. So what do you say to someone with coaching in particular, because you made that investment, that time commitment? What do you say to someone that feels like, I just can't do this right now, but they need it as much as
Well, if they really want it, they can have it, because it's just about your priorities. I mean, if they really want to be in the coaching or to be a LadyBoss, then they just have to make that a priority. And if they wanted a car, they would buy a car. If they want a house, they're going to buy a house. If they want like physical transformation, mental, emotional transformation, then they'll go after it. But they have to make that choice. You know what I mean?
Totally.
Yeah.
There's always a way. So what, being in coaching, what's it done for you? What has been the biggest takeaway and benefit in your life?
Well, for coaching, it's probably because when I first started, like I said, I had gone through a really, really tough time, and like I had lost hope, like complete hope in like my purpose, like in life was completely gone. So through coaching, like I learned how, like I started doing things like to inspire others, and it has grown. Like I have new hopes and dreams through it, and I'm able to inspire others now. I don't know, I'm really tired right now, so I feel like okay,
You're
sorry.
Great.
You can cut that.
Last one, I'll end with a very important one. What's been the most fun part about being a LadyBoss and going through this whole thing?
The most fun part? It's hard to say. I do have a lot of fun, because like everyone, like when we get together and we encourage each other and we love each other, and it's like a sisterhood. And before LadyBoss, I was in like an abusive relationship, and I was always being like verbally abused. And so once I became a lady boss and having like women every single day telling me, you can do it, you can do this, and telling me like these things and speaking life into me, and then that like built my confidence and made me like realize, oh, I can do this. I can, you know, go after my dreams, and it's really helped me grow like as a person.